You're my best friend, my lover, my companion, and soon you will be my husband. I love you with every piece of my heart and every bone in my body, and I always will. I'll see you soon. I know you're going to be the most handsome groom there ever was. Always and forever yours.
'Cause nothing else here in the world can bring the happiness you bring. And I am overwhelmed by you. Am overcome with joy. You've taken me higher and shown me what love can do. Where would I go
I know we are
without
kind of serious now, ain't it?
Yeah, I'm overwhelmed by you. Am overcome with joy. You've taken me higher and shown me what love can do. Where would I go or be without you?
Come with me, my love, to the sea of love. I wanna tell you how much I love you. Do you remember when we met? That's the day I knew you were my pet. I wanna tell you how much I love you. Come with me, my love, to the sea of love. I wanna tell you how much I love you.
We are gathered here today to witness the beginning of what will be and to celebrate with Elizabeth and Timothy and their family and friends this wondrous and joyful occurrence that is about to take place in their lives. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear for the man of the hour. There is nothing that love cannot face. There's no limit to its belief, its hope, and its endurance. Love will never come to an end.
This is the first day of my life. Swear I was born right in the doorway. I went out in the rain, suddenly everything changed. They're spreading blankets on the beach. Yours is the first face that I saw. I think I was blind before I met you. And I don't know where I am, I don't know where I've been, but
Tim has completed his 8.5 years worth of research.
And so I thought I'd
And she said yes, so we're here to celebrate with them tonight. How about that? Today as you stand here, remember that your love loyalty, friendship, and trust are the foundation for your marriage. Always respect and be kind to one another. Make sure to communicate your feelings to each other, and that will ensure you both a positive start to a healthy and long-lasting marriage, right, ladies and gentlemen?
And I thought it was strange, you said everything changed. You felt
Timothy, do you take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife? Do you promise to love her and comfort her, to honor her and keep her, in sickness and in health, to love and respect, in prosperity and adversity, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
And Elizabeth?
I do.
Very good.
I, Timothy,
Take thee, Elizabeth,
take thee, Elizabeth,
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poor,
for richer or for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and respect
to love and respect
all the days of our lives.
all the days of our lives.
Listen, Elizabeth, please repeat after me. I, Elizabeth,
I, Elizabeth,
take thee, Timothy,
take thee, Timothy,
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poor,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and respect
to love and respect
all the days of our lives.
all the days of our lives.
I headed west, I was a man on the move. New York had lied to me, I needed the truth. Oh, I need somebody, I needed someone I could trust. I don't gamble, but if I did,
Today, the relationship is further symbolized by the tying of a fisherman's knot. A true lover's knot, it is the strongest there is. Its bond will not break, becoming even stronger under pressure.
you'll never sink when you're with me. Oh Lord, like the Dead Sea. Oh, I'm like the Dead Sea. Finest words you ever
Now that you
said.
have joined yourselves in matrimony, may you always strive to meet this commitment with the same spirit you now exhibit. We all here bear witness to the ceremony you have performed, and you may now call yourselves by those old and respected names, husband and wife. Timothy, you may now kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great honor and pleasure I now present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Timothy Wall, husband and wife.
You're the northern wind, sending chills down my spine. You're like
Join me in welcoming the newest married couple on the high seas.
you're the lullaby that's singing me to sleep. You are the other half. You're like a missing piece.